Elon Musk threatening to ban Apple devices at his companies. This is in response to Apple's new partnership with OpenAI.
In a historic and unprecedented turn of events, Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, has officially acquired Apple. The news sent shockwaves across the globe, leaving tech enthusiasts, investors, and industry insiders buzzing with anticipation and questions about what the future holds. For decades, Apple has stood as a symbol of technological innovation and user-centric design, shaping industries and revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Musk's acquisition marks a pivotal moment not only in the tech industry, but across the business world, as it brings together two of the most iconic brands in modern history. Before we start, hit the like and subscribe buttons for more updates. Elon Musk is no stranger to ambitious, world-changing projects. He has already disrupted the automotive industry with Tesla, sent rockets into space with SpaceX, and is exploring ways to merge human minds with AI through Neuralink. By acquiring Apple, Musk has signaled that he's ready to take on the next frontier of technological advancement, integrating his vision of the future with Apple's legacy of design and innovation. This acquisition is not just about a merging of two giants. It's about what Musk might do with Apple's immense resources, global reach, and loyal customer base. Apple, founded in 1976 by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne, has consistently been at the forefront of consumer electronics, software, and digital services. Over the years, it has introduced revolutionary products like the Macintosh, the iPhone, and the Apple Watch, setting trends and reshaping markets. For many, Apple is not just a tech company, it's a lifestyle brand, synonymous with elegance, creativity, and cutting-edge technology. With Musk now at the helm, the possibilities for innovation are limitless, but it also raises questions about how the company's identity and direction might shift under his leadership. One of the most immediate implications of this acquisition is how Musk's vision for the future might blend with Apple's existing projects. For years, Apple has been investing heavily in areas like augmented reality, AR, artificial intelligence, AI, and autonomous vehicles, fields that align closely with Musk's personal ambitions. Tesla has already made significant strides in autonomous driving, and Apple has long been rumored to be working on its own electric vehicle, often referred to as Project Titan. The synergy between Musk's work with Tesla and Apple's potential entry into the automotive space could result in revolutionary products that blend hardware, software, and AI in ways that haven't been seen before. Musk's expertise in space exploration through SpaceX could also lead to interesting developments in Apple's global operations. Apple relies on a vast network of satellites for its global communication systems, including services like Apple Maps and the Find My network. With Musk's SpaceX constantly pushing the boundaries of satellite technology and space travel, there's a strong potential for Apple to enhance its infrastructure, providing faster, more reliable global communication, and perhaps even leveraging SpaceX's Starlink satellite network to improve internet access in remote areas. The combination of these two powerhouses could lead to groundbreaking advancements in global connectivity and communication. Another area where Musk's influence could be felt is in energy storage and sustainability. Through Tesla, Musk has made significant advancements in battery technology and renewable energy, particularly with products like the Powerwall and Tesla's solar energy initiatives. Apple has already made strides toward becoming a more environmentally friendly company, with goals to be carbon neutral across its entire business by 2030. Musk's expertise in sustainable energy could accelerate these efforts, with Apple potentially adopting Tesla's energy solutions to power its massive data centers, retail stores, and manufacturing facilities. This collaboration could set new standards for sustainability in the tech industry and beyond. The acquisition also brings up the question of how Musk might reshape Apple's product lineup. Over the years, Apple has built a reputation for releasing polished, user-friendly products, often with incremental updates to existing lines. Musk, on the other hand, is known for his bold, risk-taking approach to innovation. He's not afraid to push boundaries and explore radical new ideas, even if they seem far-fetched. This contrast in style could result in Apple adopting a more experimental approach to its product development, potentially leading to the introduction of entirely new categories of devices. For instance, with Musk's interest in brain-computer interfaces through Neuralink, we could see Apple delving deeper into wearable technology that goes beyond the Apple Watch or AirPods, creating devices that interface directly with the human brain. One of the most interesting aspects of Musk's acquisition of Apple is how it might influence the company's culture. Apple has always prided itself on its closed ecosystem and its ability to control every aspect of its products, from hardware to software. This approach has allowed Apple to maintain a high level of quality and consistency across its product lineup, but it has also led to criticisms of being too insular and resistant to change. Musk, by contrast, is known for his open-source philosophy, particularly with Tesla, where he has made many of the company's patents available for public use. This difference in approach could lead to a culture clash within Apple, as Musk may push for more openness and collaboration with outside developers and companies. At the same time, Musk's acquisition could reinvigorate Apple's internal teams, particularly in the areas of research and development. Apple has been criticized in recent years for becoming more focused on incremental improvements to existing products rather than groundbreaking innovation. With Musk at the helm, the company may see a renewed emphasis on bold, forward-thinking projects that aim to disrupt entire industries, much like the original iPhone did in 2007. Musk's leadership could inspire Apple's engineers and designers to take bigger risks, leading to a new era of innovation for the company. Beyond Apple's product development, there's also the question of how this acquisition might impact the broader tech industry. Both Apple and Musk have a long history of setting trends that other companies follow. When Apple introduced the iPhone, it redefined what a smartphone could be, and companies around the world scrambled to replicate its success. Similarly, Musk's work with Tesla has pushed the entire automotive industry toward electric vehicles, with traditional automakers now racing to catch up. With Musk now in control of Apple, the combined influence of these two titans could shape the future of multiple industries, from consumer electronics to automotive technology to space exploration. Financially, Musk's acquisition of Apple represents one of the largest deals in history, and it raises important questions about the future of big tech and the consolidation of power. Apple has long been one of the most valuable companies in the world, with a market capitalization in the trillions of dollars. Musk's personal wealth, much of which is tied to his holdings in Tesla and SpaceX, has also made him one of the richest individuals on the planet. The combination of Musk's financial resources and Apple's vast cash reserves creates a company with unprecedented economic power, capable of outspending and out-innovating competitors in virtually any field. Regulators around the world are likely to scrutinize the deal closely, as the consolidation of two such powerful entities could raise concerns about monopolistic behavior and the impact on competition. Musk has often expressed frustration with government regulations, particularly in areas like autonomous driving and space exploration, and it will be interesting to see how he navigates potential antitrust challenges in this case. However, Musk has also demonstrated a unique ability to work within and sometimes around regulatory frameworks, and his acquisition of Apple could test the boundaries of what's possible in terms of corporate consolidation and global influence. The implications of Musk's acquisition of Apple also extend into the social and political realms. Both Musk and Apple have had a significant impact on the way people live their lives, and together they could reshape society in profound ways. Musk's companies have already sparked discussions about the future of transportation, space travel, and energy, while Apple has influenced how we communicate, consume media, and interact with technology. With their forces combined, they have the potential to shape the future in ways that are difficult to predict, but undoubtedly far-reaching. In terms of social impact, Musk's acquisition of Apple could accelerate the development of technologies that blur the lines between humans and machines. Through projects like Neuralink, Musk has expressed a desire to create interfaces that allow humans to interact directly with computers, potentially even merging human consciousness with artificial intelligence. With Apple's expertise in hardware design and user experience, the combination of these two forces could result in products that make such futuristic ideas a reality. While this may excite some, it could also raise ethical and philosophical questions about the role of technology in human life, particularly when it comes to issues like privacy, autonomy, and the potential for misuse of such powerful technologies. As we venture deeper into the possibilities unleashed by Elon Musk's acquisition of Apple, It becomes evident that this deal is likely to redefine the future of technological convergence. Musk, already known for pushing the boundaries of reality with his ventures into space, autonomous cars, and neural interfaces, now has the keys to one of the most powerful and culturally influential tech companies in history. This is not simply about two companies merging their assets and operations. It's about two distinct visions of the future coming together, potentially accelerating us toward a future dominated by artificial intelligence, human-machine collaboration, and interplanetary exploration. One of the most critical aspects of this acquisition lies in Musk's leadership style and how it will translate into Apple's organizational culture. Apple, under the leadership of Tim Cook, has been an efficiency-driven, meticulously organized company, maintaining a steady pace of innovation while maximizing profitability. Cook's focus on operational excellence has turned Apple into a cash-generating machine with a laser-like focus on refining its ecosystem and maintaining tight control over its product development cycle. Musk, in contrast, thrives on bold ambition, risk-taking, and a less structured approach to management. Tesla and SpaceX are known for their willingness to experiment, fail, and iterate rapidly. These two managerial philosophies could collide, or, if balanced effectively, they could unlock unprecedented levels of creativity and innovation within Apple's ranks. One possibility is that Musk will encourage Apple to adopt a more open-ended, experimental approach to product development. For years, Apple has been criticized by some for becoming too predictable, releasing new iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks with incremental updates that feel evolutionary rather than revolutionary. Musk's influence could inject a sense of adventure back into Apple's product roadmap. Rather than focusing on perfecting established product categories, Apple might begin to pursue riskier moonshot projects that have the potential to reshape entire industries. For example, Apple's rumored electric vehicle, EV project could take on new urgency, with Musk's expertise in the field leading to rapid progress in the development of autonomous electric cars that seamlessly integrate with Apple's software ecosystem. The idea of Apple designing and manufacturing an electric vehicle is not new, but Musk's leadership could turn this concept into reality much faster than expected. Apple has reportedly been working on its own EV under the codename Project Titan for several years. However, progress has been slow, and the project has faced internal challenges and strategic shifts. Musk's experience with Tesla could help Apple overcome these hurdles and bring its vision for the future of transportation to life. The combination of Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology and Apple's renowned expertise in design and user experience could result in a product that truly disrupts the automotive industry. Beyond the EV space, there's potential for Apple to play a larger role in space exploration and technology. SpaceX, Musk's aerospace company, has revolutionized space travel with its reusable rockets and ambitious plans to colonize Mars. Apple, with its immense financial resources and global presence, could partner with SpaceX to accelerate humanity's efforts to become a multiplanetary species. The collaboration between Apple's advanced hardware capabilities and SpaceX's innovative propulsion and rocket technology could lead to new forms of space tourism, satellite networks, or even commercial ventures in space colonization. For instance, Musk has long envisioned a world where humans live and work on Mars. Apple's resources could help fund and develop technologies that make life on Mars a reality, from creating communications infrastructure on the Red Planet to developing devices that assist astronauts in space travel. Apple's prowess in software and hardware integration could help design the user-friendly systems that astronauts might use to interact with autonomous vehicles, communicate with Earth, or even control life support systems in extraterrestrial environments. This is not merely the domain of science fiction. It is a logical extension of Musk's long-term goals, now backed by Apple's unmatched ecosystem and financial firepower. Another area where Musk's influence might be felt is in the realm of artificial intelligence, AI. Apple has already been investing heavily in AI, particularly with its Siri voice assistant and machine learning models that power everything from the iPhone's camera features to its recommendation algorithms in Apple Music and the App Store. However, compared to tech giants like Google and Amazon, Apple's AI efforts have sometimes seemed more conservative and less aggressive. Musk, who has a complex relationship with AI, he has repeatedly warned of its dangers, yet also heavily invests in its potential. could push Apple to take a more assertive role in shaping the future of AI. Neuralink, Musk's brain-machine interface company, may also come into play here. While Neuralink is still in its early stages, its ultimate goal is to create a direct connection between human brains and computers, allowing for seamless communication and control. If Musk integrates Neuralink's vision with Apple's technology, we could see the development of devices that take human-computer interaction to an entirely new level. Imagine a future where Apple's sleek, user-friendly devices are no longer operated with a keyboard or a touchscreen, but directly through thought. Such an integration could revolutionize industries ranging from healthcare, by allowing people with disabilities to control devices with their minds, to entertainment, by enabling immersive virtual and augmented reality experiences that respond directly to brain signals. Additionally, Musk's acquisition could transform Apple's position in the burgeoning virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) markets. Apple has already made significant investments in AR through its AirKit framework, which allows developers to create AR experiences on iPhones and iPads. However, Apple has yet to release a dedicated AR headset or device, something that many industry observers believe is coming soon. With Musk at the helm, Apple's efforts in this area could be supercharged. Musk's passion for creating immersive experiences, whether it's the driving experience in a Tesla or the awe-inspiring spectacle of a SpaceX rocket launch, could influence Apple to push the boundaries of AR and VR technology in ways that are more ambitious and transformative. Imagine an Apple AR device that combines the sleek, minimalist design the company is known for with Musk's penchant for futuristic experiences. This device could integrate with Neuralink technology, allowing users to interact with digital objects and environments through thought alone. The applications of such technology are virtually limitless, from revolutionizing industries like gaming and entertainment to providing entirely new ways for people to collaborate, learn, and communicate. As we think about the broader implications of Musk's acquisition of Apple, it's also important to consider how this move might affect Apple's competitors. Apple has long competed with companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft across various sectors, from mobile operating systems to cloud services to hardware. Musk's involvement could intensify this competition, particularly in areas where Tesla and SpaceX are already active. For example, Google has invested heavily in AI and autonomous driving through its Waymo project, and Amazon has explored space with its Blue Origin venture. With Musk at the helm, Apple may accelerate its efforts in these areas, potentially outpacing its rivals and further solidifying its position as the leader in multiple high-tech industries. At the same time, this acquisition could spur other companies to pursue similar bold moves to stay competitive. Google, Amazon, and Microsoft may feel pressure to make their own high-profile acquisitions or accelerate their R&D efforts to keep up with Apple's newly expanded capabilities. This could lead to a wave of innovation and competition in sectors like AI, space technology, and renewable energy, benefiting consumers and driving the next wave of technological breakthroughs. Yet, for all the promise that this acquisition holds, it's not without its risks. Musk is known for his unpredictable nature and bold, sometimes controversial statements. His approach to leadership has often been described as chaotic and unorthodox. While this style has worked well for smaller, more agile companies like Tesla and SpaceX, it remains to be seen how it will fare in a corporate behemoth like Apple, with its complex supply chains, global workforce, and legions of loyal customers. Apple's corporate culture has been largely defined by its attention to detail, focus on user experience, and ability to carefully manage its public image. Musk's leadership, which sometimes involves making announcements via cryptic tweets or engaging in public disputes with critics, could clash with Apple's more buttoned-up approach. If not managed carefully, this cultural mismatch could lead to internal friction, with longtime Apple employees and executives potentially resisting Musk's more freewheeling style. On the other hand, if Musk can successfully integrate his bold vision with Apple's disciplined approach to product development and customer experience, the result could be a company that is both more innovative and more focused than ever before. It's also worth considering how this acquisition might be received by Apple's loyal customer base. Apple has built its brand on the promise of privacy, security, and trust, positioning itself as a company that values user data and experiences over monetization and advertising. Musk, while also advocating for privacy and autonomy, brings with him a history of high-profile controversies, from his disputes with regulators to his public statements about everything from cryptocurrency to AI. Some Apple customers may view Musk's acquisition with skepticism, wondering whether the values that have defined Apple for decades will change under his leadership. Moreover, Musk's involvement in various industries, ranging from automotive to space exploration to AI, could stretch his attention thin. Running Tesla, SpaceX, Neuralink, The Boring Company, and now Apple is a monumental task. And there are questions about whether Musk can effectively manage such a vast empire. Each of these companies operates in highly competitive, fast-moving industries that require constant innovation and attention to detail. While Musk has proven capable of juggling multiple ventures, the sheer scale and complexity of Apple could present new challenges that even he has not encountered before. As the integration between Elon Musk and Apple moves forward, the implications for the future of both technology and business will continue to unfold in ways that few could have predicted. Musk's visionary leadership, which has driven SpaceX and Tesla to the heights of success, will inevitably shape Apple's future course, likely taking it in new, unprecedented directions. At this juncture, the broader economic, societal, and cultural impacts must also be explored. This fusion of two titans may not only reshape industries, but could also alter how global markets function, how technology integrates into daily life, and even how society perceives innovation and progress. One potential outcome of this monumental acquisition is the accelerated convergence of industries that, until now, have been developing in parallel but largely separate from each other. Apple's core focus has always been consumer technology, from smartphones to computers to wearable devices. Meanwhile, Musk's ventures span multiple fields, including space exploration, renewable energy, and transportation. The acquisition could dissolve the boundaries between these industries, with Apple branching out into entirely new sectors while incorporating its hallmark of sleek design and user-friendly interfaces. Consider, for example, how Apple could leverage Musk's work in the automotive industry. Tesla has become synonymous with electric vehicles, but its ambitions extend far beyond simply replacing gasoline-powered cars. Tesla aims to create an autonomous, sustainable transportation ecosystem that integrates seamlessly with other aspects of daily life. Apple, with its extensive software expertise, could play a key role in expanding Tesla's vision. Imagine a world where Tesla's autonomous vehicles are not just cars, but hubs of connected living that interact with every aspect of Apple's ecosystem. From your iPhone to your Mac to your Apple Watch. Through advanced AI and machine learning, your car could communicate with your devices to schedule appointments, suggest optimal driving routes based on real-time data, or even order your groceries as you drive past a store. This kind of integration could redefine the automotive experience, turning cars into mobile extensions of Apple's broader product line. Apple's software ecosystem, which already includes services like Siri, Apple Maps, and Apple Music, could evolve to create a fully immersive experience within Tesla vehicles, seamlessly connecting users to their digital lives while they travel. This level of integration would go beyond what any single tech company has achieved and could further cement Apple's place as the most important player in consumer electronics and digital services. Additionally, Musk's renewable energy ambitions could gain a significant boost through this acquisition. Tesla's work in solar energy and energy storage aligns perfectly with Apple's commitment to environmental sustainability. Apple has already made strides in reducing its carbon footprint, with plans to achieve carbon neutrality by 2030. Musk's expertise in creating energy solutions, such as Tesla's solar panels and Powerwall battery systems, could provide Apple with the tools it needs to accelerate these initiatives even further. Beyond powering Apple's own operations, the company could become a global leader in renewable energy solutions, offering consumers energy-efficient products that integrate seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem. For instance, future Apple devices could be designed to interact with Tesla's home energy solutions, allowing users to monitor and control their energy consumption through their iPhone or Mac. Apple's smart home initiatives, already in progress with HomeKit, could evolve to include not only smart appliances and lighting, but also renewable energy management systems that are deeply integrated into the home environment. Users could optimize their energy usage based on real-time data, reducing their environmental impact while staying connected to the Apple ecosystem. As the lines between tech, automotive, and energy continue to blur, another critical area where Musk and Apple's partnership could flourish is space exploration. SpaceX has already proven itself as a leader in the aerospace industry, with ambitions to colonize Mars and build a sustainable future beyond Earth. While Apple has never ventured into space, its resources and technological expertise could make it a valuable partner in realizing Musk's interplanetary goals. Apple's focus on user experience and design could come into play as SpaceX looks to build not only the infrastructure for space travel, but also the environments in which humans will live and work in space. From space stations to Mars colonies, there will be a need for intuitive, human-centered technology that makes life in space more comfortable and manageable. Apple could provide the interfaces, devices, and systems needed to create a connected and efficient space environment. Imagine astronauts using an advanced version of the iPad or Apple Watch to control life support systems, communicate with Earth, or monitor their health in real time, all while receiving updates and notifications just like users on Earth. Furthermore, Apple's prowess in developing hardware and software that prioritize user privacy and security could be instrumental in space exploration. As humanity ventures into new frontiers, the protection of sensitive data, communications, and systems will be more critical than ever. Apple's deep commitment to security could ensure that these technologies are safeguarded, whether they're used by astronauts on Mars or by users on Earth, who are increasingly reliant on digital infrastructures that span the globe. Another exciting development that could arise from Musk's influence on Apple is the deeper integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into Apple's products and services. AI is already at the core of many of Apple's innovations, from the iPhone's facial recognition technology to Siri's voice commands. However, Musk has often expressed concerns about the unchecked development of AI, even as he invests in companies like OpenAI to ensure that the technology is developed responsibly. Musk's cautious yet ambitious approach to AI could guide Apple's development of next-generation AI systems that are both powerful and ethical. One possible application of this would be the development of AI-powered personal assistants far more advanced than anything currently available. While Siri is useful for basic tasks, it pales in comparison to the capabilities of more advanced AI systems, such as OpenAI's GPT models. Musk's influence could push Apple to develop a new kind of AI assistant, one that understands not only voice commands but also context, emotion, and even complex human interactions. This AI could become an integral part of the Apple ecosystem, helping users manage their lives, make decisions, and interact with the world in ways that are currently unimaginable. For example, such an AI could serve as a proactive assistant, learning from a user's habits, preferences, and needs to offer personalized recommendations and perform tasks automatically. It could help manage everything from personal health, suggesting dietary changes or exercise routines based on biometric data collected from the Apple Watch, to work, scheduling meetings, organizing emails, or even drafting documents. This kind of AI would not only be reactive, responding to user commands, but also anticipatory, helping users make better decisions and live more efficiently. Musk's leadership could also push Apple to take its health initiatives to the next level. The Apple Watch has already made waves with its health monitoring features, such as heart rate tracking, ECG functionality, and blood oxygen monitoring. However, these features only scratch the surface of what's possible when it comes to digital health. Musk's acquisition of Apple could lead to a deeper exploration of bioengineering and biotechnology, integrating the work of Neuralink into Apple's product lineup. Neuralink's mission to develop brain-machine interfaces could revolutionize how humans interact with technology. If Neuralink's technology were to be integrated with Apple's wearable devices, the implications for healthcare would be extraordinary. Users could gain unprecedented insights into their brain activity, potentially allowing for early detection of neurological conditions like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disease. Moreover, these devices could help individuals with physical disabilities regain control over their environment by allowing them to interact with their devices through thought alone. The merging of Apple's user-friendly interfaces with Neuralink's cutting-edge technology could create a new generation of health monitoring devices that don't just track physical health, but also mental and cognitive well-being. Such advancements could enable people to better manage their mental health, monitor for signs of cognitive decline, or even enhance their cognitive abilities through brain training exercises tailored by AI. As this integration unfolds, Apple's role in education could also expand dramatically. Apple has long been a proponent of educational technology, with devices like the iPad and software like iTunes U helping to bring interactive learning to classrooms around the world. However, with Musk at the helm, Apple could push the boundaries of what's possible in education, using AI, Arkansas, and brain-machine interfaces to create immersive, personalized learning experiences. Musk has often spoken about the need for a universal basic income, UBI, as a potential solution to the displacement of jobs by automation. With Apple's influence, the company could play a key role in shaping the future of work and advocating for policies that address the economic impact of automation. Apple could also use its vast resources to create new opportunities for workers, perhaps through education and retraining programs that help individuals transition into new roles in an increasingly automated world. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, could you leave your comments below and tell us, what are your expectations for Apple's future under Elon Musk's leadership? We want to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.